Defeat is one of the greatest teachers you will ever have. Let me say that again. Defeat is one of the greatest teachers you will ever have. I realize that being defeated is not fun, but when we win, we celebrate. And that's a lot of fun. But we don't learn anything from our celebration. I'm not saying celebration's wrong. I'm just saying it's not a teacher. But when we lose, then we ponder. And when we ponder, we learn. And this is a great thing to understand because no one bats 1,000. No one has a perfect score. Romans 3:23, we've all sinned, fallen short of the glory of God. And so now what we need to do is learn from our mistakes and up our game. If you're going to level up your game, you've got to first do an autopsy on what went wrong, figure it out, so you don't make the same mistake over and over and over and over again. I think that was kind of the definition of insanity. So some folks, though, they have this fear of failure, like it's a bad thing. Well, don't do anything totally mean on purpose, but don't be afraid of failure. We're all going to fail. No one bats 1,000. So no matter what you're trying, the fact is, in the beginning, you're going to look really awkward and clumsy, and if you'll keep at it, you'll learn and you'll get better and better, but you will never, ever be absolutely perfect at it. That's the way life works. And if you let fear of that failure paralyze you, then you will live your life on square one for all time to come. Chuck. Not wrong to be on square one. That's where we all start. But if you're going to press on down the game board, you can't let fear stop you. You have to go forward and manage your failures wisely. Look at what you did wrong and don't get into blaming others. Others may have been involved, but look, this is your life, this is your game, and you got to own it. You got to take responsibility for it. And when something goes wrong, you got to say, what can I do? What did I do? You can't control other people. What did you do? And what can you do going forward? Now, if other people help, that's great. Love to have great people on the team. But if they don't cooperate, what are you going to do? It's still your life and it's still your choice. And defeat will still be a great teacher if you know how to manage it. Give it some thought. Dig deeper into that one. There's a lot to unpack there. And as always, have a great day.